Hello, and part 2 of fish filleting and fish in general. Here I have a beautiful large flatfish. I haven't filleted a flatfish successfully in a while, so bear with me. But the big thing you'll notice about flatfish is they're dark on the one side and light on the other. The dark side has the bigger fillet, so we're going to do that second just to make our life a bit easier. So we're going to start on the white side. And there's already a gap where they've gutted it for me. So we're just going to follow that gap round and then all the way around the head. And then you can see here there's that sort of line, natural line, and that's where the bone of this sort of fish kind of goes like that. So the bone is sitting there like that, so it's slightly upright. So what we want to do is we want to keep this side off that, and then we're just going to swipe down to the tail with a bit of luck. So we're going to go in here, and with any luck we'll get this fillet off the bone. I'm a bit nervous about this, but theoretically this is how it should work. So I'm following that bone and then swiping down. And then I'm just going to swipe along just to make sure I have actually made it all the way to the bone. And then we're going to angle the knife slightly to get down the other side of the bone. There we go. And then just kind of the same thing again. Nice sweeping motions. I'm moving the fillet out the way as I go so that I don't accidentally cut it. So there we have the white side. Not a bad first attempt. I'm just going to, again, here, you can see a little bit of the skin that I don't want on it. So I'm just going to very delicately take that out. There, and there we have ourselves a smaller fillet. Put it on the side and we turn the fish around, and here they've gutted it quite largely. Normally you'd go a bit closer to the head and then round, so I'm just going to go round it here. All the way around, and then again there's that line that I want to stay on the right side of. I'm just going to get the tip of my knife in against it and slide it out. cut the tail, and then I just want to make sure, so I've taken a little bit too little off, so we'll just sliding across where the bone is. Cut the tail here a bit to help me later on. And then we want to go the other side of the bone, which should be there somewhere. That's it there, so we want to go at an angle all the way from the base. You sort of want to cut before you get to these ribbly bits because they are not very nice. There we go, got most of it. And again, this is the sort of area where the roe is, so it's not very tasty, so again, you can take that bit. See, I can even pull it off. That's where the fish roe was. Those bits off, and then you've got the other side of the fillet, which fits nicely on top, and there you have beautiful filleted. Take these bits off, they're not going to be very tasty.